Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on account management. Today we'll briefly show you where a user can change their details, where to set a new password and what to do if they forget their password. We are now on the main page. Here we will hover over our profile icon in the top right corner. Click and select Personal Settings. As a user, you can change your name, surname and phone number here. The email you signed up for BrandCloud with is unchangeable. You can also change your password in the Change Password section by entering your old and new password. The last change option on this page is to change your language. You can choose your preferred language and default sharing language. When you're done with your changes, click on the Save Changes button. We have now moved onto the login page, where we will show you what to do in case you forget your password. Clicking on the Forgotten Password button will take us to the stage where we enter our email associated with our BrandCloud account. Clicking the Send button will send us instructions to change the password to the mailbox. In the email instructions, there is a Change Password button, which takes us back to BrandCloud, where we enter and save the new password. I hope this tutorial has helped you with managing your account.